Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, in this video today I'm going to introduce the 3 latest features of WhatsApp mobile, and all you need is to go to Google Play Store and update your WhatsApp app. Let's start with the first one. So I'm going to the conversation and I'm going to click on this symbol buttons. As you can see, the previous symbols are there, or you may say stickers. So I'm clicking on this. As you can see that there is no animations there for this sticker, and I'm going to add a new sticker from this plus button here. So I'm clicking on this and this will load a new sticker for me. As you can see that I'm going to select the same, and once I click on any of the sticker, this will show animation as well. So this is the latest feature of the WhatsApp, where they added the animation to the stickers. You can download any bundle of your stickers and add. This is the very first feature. So coming to the next feature that we are going to introduce in this video, the next feature is QR code scan. So I'm going to the main settings of my WhatsApp, and here my username is there. As you can see that there is a small QR code icon is there on the right side of the profile. As you click on this, this will show you a QR code for your WhatsApp account. So all you need is to ask your friend to scan this code for connectivity. So you don't need to add any contacts in your contact list, or you may not to have save the number of the specific contact. So simply you have to create your code, and you can scan your code as well with this camera feature. So this was the second feature that we introduced. So the last feature that I'm going to highlight in this video is video calling configuration. So I'm going to this group, and I'm going to specifically talking about the group video calling. So I'm going to call a video call to these group members, tapping on this camera icon. So once I am on video call, you can see that you have video call connected, and because I'm on the same platform, I have 2 WhatsApp installed on my device, so this camera is turned off. So as you can see that you can move this video camera icon anywhere you want to adjust. So this is the latest feature that WhatsApp has included in this new update. So you can move anywhere you want to set up this camera icon.